أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum students, I am Dr. Matiha Osman. As you all know that I am here to teach you Quran in very basic and easy way. So without further ado, let's get started. Today we will learn our fifth lesson of Noorani Qaida. Before starting, you must know what is Noorani Qaida. As we know, Noorani Qaida means basic book for beginners to learn Holy Quran. And in this lesson, we will learn from letter Ta to letter Fa. Our first letter is Ta. Ta. Please read after me. Ta. Ta. Read Ta with thick sound like Ta. 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 Pronounced Ta. Start using tip of tongue, touching gums of front two teeth. Read again with me. Start using tip of tongue, touching gums of front two teeth. Ta. From here we pronounced Ta. Read it with me. Ta. 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 And remember, read Ta with thick sound because Ta and Ta both letters have same origin. But Ta read with thick sound and Ta read with thin sound. You have to make difference between Ta and Ta. Ta with thick sound and Ta with thin sound like Ta with thick sound. Read again with me. Ta. Ta. And Ta with thin sound like this. Ta. Ta. Read with me. Ta. 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 Our next letter is Za. Please read after me. Za. 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 Za has thick sound, so read with thick sound like Za. Za. Raising your tongue toward palate, you can produce thick sound in this letter. Za. 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 Let me show you origin of Za. Za pronounced as start using tip of tongue, touching tip of front two teeth. One more time. Start using tip of tongue, touching tip of front two teeth. From here we pronounced Za. Read it with me. Za. 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 Za has thick sound. If we don't make thick sound in this letter, Za change with letter Zal. Zal has thin sound and Za has thick sound. Like Za. Za. Za with thick sound and Zal. Zal with thin sound. If we put Fatha on both letters, then you can understand better. If we put fatha on za, then it will be the. And if we put fatha on zal, then it will be the. Please read after me. The. Our next letter is Ain. Please read after me. Ain. Let me explain you origin of Ain. Ain pronounced from middle part of throat. One more time. Ain pronounced from middle part of throat. As we know, here is 3 parts of throat, and Ain pronounced from middle part of throat. Please read after me. Ain. Our next letter is Ghain. Please read after me. Ghain. Let me explain you origin of Ghain. Ghain pronounced from upper part of throat. One more time. Ghain pronounced from upper part of throat. From here we pronounced Ghain. Please read after me. Ghain. Our last letter of today's lesson is Fa. Please read after me. Fa. Let me show you origin of Fa. Pronounced Fa. Start using tip of 2 front teeth touching inner part of lower lip. One more time. Start using tip of 2 front teeth touching inner part of lower lip. Please read after me. Fa. Now we will repeat our today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طا with thick sound. طا. Dha, also with thick sound. Dha. Ain. Ghain. Fa. Our today's lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 or 4 times in a day, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lesson, please ask in comment section below, and I will give you answers as soon as possible, inshallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.